Hello, people. We're back with a new video here. So, as long as I remember, we were going towards the villa. So, now we continue. We arrived at the villa speedboat dock with salt in the air and excitement still buzzing. Stepping onto the wooden jetty felt like an officially entering the island life. And then we entered the villa, and everything slowed down. Warm wooden interiors, soft lighting, and open spaces that instantly felt calm, private, and extremely welcoming. Though we had a beautiful bathing space, we still had something waiting for us outside. Outside, we came across the pool, which blended seamlessly into the ocean beyond, while the open bathing space felt like a peaceful retreat under the blue sky. After the pool, we had our amazing lunch and head out for a sunset speedboat ride. And the speedboat ride was beyond our explanation. We didn't have enough words to describe the scenarios we were witnessing. Golden light reflected off the waves as the sky slowly changed colors with every passing minute. It was a pure moment of bliss. After that pure bliss, we encountered a beautiful nightlife. At the night, the resort came alive. Musics, lights, laughter, and party that felt energetic yet perfectly island-paced. The next morning began quietly, with a peaceful dip into the pool and the ocean stretching endlessly in front of us. Soon, it was time for adventure. We boarded the boat again, gears loaded, life jackets on, and excitement slowly replacing the calm of the morning. As the engine started, the boat pushed away from the dock and onto the open water. The resort grew smaller behind us while the ocean opened up ahead, endless, wide, deep, and blue. Wind hit our faces, salt hung in the air, and the sound of waves mixed with the laughter of quiet anticipation. Some of us stared at the horizon, others at the water below, but all of us were wondering what waited underneath. And soon that wait was over. Slowly, we descended beneath the surface. The noise of the world disappeared almost instantly. No engines, no wind, no voices, just calm, weightless silence. The water opened up around us, the deepest shades of blue. Sunlight filtered down in the soft beams, cutting through the water like light through glass. With every meter we went down, the surface felt farther and farther away, and a new world revealed itself. Coral formations stretched across the seabed like underwater cities. Bright colors appeared everywhere: blue, yellow, purple, alive and constantly moving. Schools of fish swam past us effortlessly, perfectly in sync, as if we weren't there. And next came toe tubing. The mood changed instantly. We held on tight as the boat picked us up, cutting sharply across the waves. Water sprayed everywhere, the tube bouncing and skimming over the surface like it had a mind of its own. Every turn came faster than the last one. Waves slammed beneath us, lifting the tube into the air, bouncing and dropping it back down with a splash. Laughter mixed with screams, adrenaline taking over as we tried and failed to stay balanced. The speed kept building, and so did the adrenaline. The tube lifted, dropped, twisted, fighting the water beneath it. Laughter slowly turned into shouts as we tried to hold on. And then it happened. One sudden pull, one hard turn, and we were thrown into the water. For a split second, everything went silent. The ocean swallowed the noise, the motion, the speed, everything. There was a brief moment of fear, that instinctive pause where your heart skips and your mind catches up. But then we surfaced, laughing, breathless, and wide-eyed. The fear melted into excitement almost instantly. From there, we moved straight into the parasailing. Rising high above the ocean, suspended between sky and the sea, and the view was breathtaking. As the night fell, the resort transformed completely. Pathways glowed with soft golden lights, palm trees were wrapped in fairy lights, and reflection danced gently on the water. What felt calm during the day now felt magical, like the island had dressed up for the night. Christmas decorations were everywhere. Garlands hung across the walkways, ornaments sparkled against the wooden beams, and a tall Christmas tree stood glowing at the center of it all. It didn't feel out the place, it felt special, like Christmas had found its own tropical version. So people, that's it for this one. See you at the next one. You know what to do. Hit that button, click those buttons, and I'll see you for the next one.